Yo, the craziest thing just happened. So I just got done with my church on Sunday. It was an amazing time. The music was the best I've ever seen in my life or heard. Yeah, it was just amazing. And then I left. I was in the center, and then all of a sudden someone sprayed me with some shaving cream. And then I heard that there was some party going on. Day 5 in Cusco, or day 4. There was a accident. Okay, now I'm a little bit more prepared. All right, I'm walking into the battle zone. I got one. Let's make this count. Oh, darn. I think we made it to the festival. What a day. Today was an arbor. Yo, this is crazy. We're traveling as a group, and as we see someone, we all get them.
Hola, hola, ¿cómo están todos? ¡Viva el Perú! ¡Viva el Perú! Mi nombre es Daniel, soy de Chicago. Vengo, es para exhorting. Soy de para 6 meses, mi nuevo casa. Mucho gusto, mis amigos. ¡Viva el Perú, carajo! ¡Viva el Perú, carajo! ¡Viva el Perú, carajo! Speak, ¡viva el Perú! Ok. ¡Viva!
Social media. I want to do videos for my family. I don't from here. I'm from another city from Peru.
Sí, yo tengo Instagram y YouTube. ¿Quieres ver mi YouTube? What a crazy day. Oh, I didn't even see I had that purple stuff in my face. So, just gonna document what just happened. It's pretty crazy. So I met a group of guys and they had a tree. And they were running around with this tree. Then they all turned on me for a minute and they all got me. When then after that, we became homies. It's like I was initiated. And then we saw there was this carnival over here, and so we were all standing here, and I decided that it was a good idea to go and spray the carnival people. And right when I went over there, a guy came with 2 big sticks, and he started hitting me and my friend. My friend got a bloody lip. It was intense. And my friend, my homie, wanted to go back over there and, you know, make something happen, you know. But what happened was, you know, I told him, you know, remember Jesus Cristo, you know, what would Jesus do? And we dropped it. You know, so that's my day here in Cusco. Thank God for a good day, and I'm about to go home and wash myself off. Hola, hola, hola! Hi! Yo, that's wild. Alright, I took my poncho off. I better get out of here before I get soaked. Yo, these people, I think they're from Korea. They're on a tour guide, and they have no idea what's about to hit them. Oh, they're safe. They're getting on a bus. Oh, yeah, they're safe for now.